As you organize your files and folders in Google Drive, you may need to move files to a new location. In this video, you will learn how to move files in Google Drive. Let's get started. To move a file to another location in Google Drive, the first step is to select the file. Next, click the More Actions button, then select Move To. Finally, select the location to move the file to and click Move. The file is moved to the new location. A second method to move a file is to right-click the file and then select Move To. Then just as before, just select the location you want to move it to and then click Move. Another method is to drag and drop the file to a new location. This works if the destination location is visible on the screen. To do this, select the file and while the left mouse button is pressed, hold it down and drag it to the location you want to move it to. I'll move it to the Sales folder and drop it in there. Now if we go look at the Sales folder, you'll see that the three files that we moved in there using different methods are all in here. Keep in mind that the file will inherit the permissions of the parent folder. Thus, if a file is moved to a shared folder, some people will gain or lose access to the file. To move a folder, select the folder you want to move, then click the More Actions button, then select Move To. Select the location you want to move the folder to. We'll select Sales, and then click Move. The miscellaneous folder has now been moved to the Sales folder. You can also use the other two methods as well to move folders. You can right-click as well as drag and drop if you wish. Now, let's look at how to add files to MyDrive. A few key things to note are the difference between MyDrive and Shared with Me. They both display files and folders, but it's important to know how they differ. Let's look at MyDrive first. With MyDrive, it contains files that you own and files that are created and uploaded by you. You can organize the files and folders in any hierarchy you wish. Now, with Shared with Me, you are not the owner of the file, and it displays files and folders that were shared with you. And also, you're not able to organize files and folders in your own hierarchy. Now that we know these differences, let's learn how to add a file to MyDrive. First, let's go to Shared with Me, then select the file that we want to add to MyDrive. Let's select Daily Schedule, then click the Add Shortcut to Drive button, then click Add Shortcut. The file has now been added to MyDrive. It is now available in both MyDrive and Shared with Me. In this video, you learned how to move files and folders. You also learned how to add files to MyDrive. If this video has helped you, please comment below, click like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Finally, click the post notifications bell so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.